eating or doing the things that used to be supposed or used to be permissible, but forbidden for us to do during the day. And it is a celebration for us. But the celebration must not make you overjoyed, because the celebration or the meaning of Idul Fitri is coming back to Twitter, coming back to the purity, as a newborn baby. So if you are succeed in Ramadan, you are successful to celebrate Idul Fitri. But if you are not good, you're not successful or fail the Ramadan, you are not worth celebrating it. That's my thing. And for myself, I don't think I succeeded in Ramadan because as a human being, we tend to be absent-minded, to be forgetful. Sometimes we slip back, sometimes we backslide to our bad habits, to our sin, back to our sin again. And then what I need to do is to ask forgiveness from Allah, repent. Hopefully we can become clean again after we sin. We are full of dirty dirt in our whole body. Then we need to repent, and then our body becomes clean again. But this year pandemic is not happy for everyone, because most of Indonesians, especially, they cannot go there to hometown because no mudik, because of the rule of the government. And then this week we are becoming more sad again, because the government announced that no Hajj, no pilgrimage of Hajj this year. Then our disappointment become deeper and deeper for the government. So as a grassroots person like me, a person from lower level, we cannot do much. Just do what we can do ourselves, and just praying every day. Prayers is the shield of mu'min. Prayer is the shield. That's the least what I can do. That's all. Thank you very much.
Right, question. Right, please. Floor is yours.
So Kami, what is your hope and purpose for the next Ramadan?
Okay, thank you so much. For the next Ramadan and Idul Fitri, I hope that I can mudik and get better proper job. To get proper job next Ramadan, and also next Ramadan, hopefully no more pandemic. Then we can get together to post Ramadan like as usual before pandemic. Have big gathering again. Have feast again together, and then we can feast, a big meal, and then stay masjid, doing itikaf. Itikaf. I think that's all.
Alright, any question? Alright, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa, just one more question from me. Is that necessary? We have to vaccine when we get married first or not? What do you think about that?
Before get married.
Is that necessary? As a man has vaccine pandemic coronavirus first or not when we get married?
Oh.
What do you think about that?
I don't agree with that because vaccination is optional. Optional for every citizen. If the citizen chooses not to have vaccination,
Yeah.
the government must not punish the citizen for that. And if the citizen voluntarily want to have vaccine, the government can provide, can give opportunity for the citizen to do that. And for those who want to get married and then apply at the KOTA and then they have to get certificate of vaccination, it's over the top. I think it's over the top.
So do you agree about like NGO worker and civil servant must be vaccinated, right?
I don't agree too, but most civil servants, they work for the government.
Yeah.
If
Yes.
they
I believe
don't want,
that.
they have to quit the job.
Yeah.
They don't want to obey the rules.
Oh yeah. All right. Thank you, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa.
Right.